tornado is located over Pelham, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, damaging tornado and quarter-size hail. Source, law enforcement confirmed tornado. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Moultrie and Riverside around 12:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Norman Park around 12:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this tornadic thunderstorm include Funston, Cool Spring, Pinaboro, Valenton, Oakville, Berlin, Center Hill, Spence Airport.
Oh man, that must suck.
Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to the edge of substantial shelter and protect yourself from falling debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 12:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Number 139 remains in effect until 1 p.m. Central Daylight Time or 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Florida: Calhoun and Jackson, and coastal waters from Oakland to Walton.